Understanding the iceberg effect in language learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video. We're going to explore an interesting concept in language learning known as the iceberg effect. This idea can really illuminate some of the challenges and realities of mastering a new language. So, let's dive in and uncover what lies beneath the surface. The iceberg effect is a metaphor used to describe the process of language learning. Much like an iceberg, where only a small portion is visible above the water, with the bulk remaining unseen below the surface, language learning involves much more than what is immediately apparent. The visible part of the iceberg represents the language skills we can easily observe: speaking, reading, writing, and listening. But beneath the surface, there's a huge mass that includes cultural nuances, idiomatic expressions, humor, emotions, and unspoken rules that are integral to truly understanding and using the language proficiently. In this section, we delve deeper into the two aspects of the iceberg effect. Visible aspects: grammar, the rules and structure of the language; vocabulary, the words and phrases used in the language; pronunciation, how words are spoken; fluency, the ability to speak or write the language smoothly and easily. Invisible aspects: cultural context, understanding the culture tied to the language, including traditions, customs, and history; idioms and slang, phrases whose meanings cannot be understood from their individual words; social norms and etiquette, unwritten rules about how to interact in the language's cultural setting; emotional nuance, the ability to express and understand emotions and subtleties in the language. Understanding the iceberg effect is crucial because it highlights why language learning can be challenging and why it takes time. It's not just about learning words and grammar. It's about understanding a whole new way of thinking and seeing the world. This section will help viewers appreciate the depth and richness of language learning and why patience and persistence are key. Here, we will provide practical tips to help learners navigate both the visible and invisible parts of the language learning iceberg. Engage with native speakers to understand the cultural nuances and unspoken aspects of the language. Consume local media. Helps in getting accustomed to idioms, slang, and the emotional undertones of the language. Learn about culture through books, movies, and history to grasp the context in which the language is used. Practice regularly to improve fluency and confidence in using the language. Thank you for watching. Remember, mastering a language is like uncovering an iceberg. There's always more beneath the surface. We hope this video has shed light on the iceberg effect and its importance in language learning. Keep exploring, stay curious, and happy learning. See you in the next video.